Hello, this is Vicki from Saint Makeup, and tonight I want to talk to my mature skin ladies about a thicker coverage of Saint Makeup. This is the brush that I use. This is the 3D brush. It's a stiffer bristle, and this is stiffer for a better coverage. So what I do is I've been color matched to my skin, foundation to my skin. The very first thing I'm going to do is cover up these spots, age wrinkles, age spots. So I'm going to do that first. I just got back from the ocean, so my skin is kind of red. I was at Surfside Beach, just south of Myrtle Beach, when Ian came through. All right, I'm gonna take my darker highlight and I'm gonna put this on dark or thicker. I'm just tapping my brush in and I'm putting it on my face where I'm really red. Down the middle of my nose, up on my forehead. Lighter highlight. Down the middle of my nose, and I'm putting my darker highlight up here. I'm also gonna take my contour and use my 3D brush. I'm going to contour my chin. I'm going to get rid of that, the jowls. I'm going to take my contour, put a little bit, contour my cheekbones. All right, now you can take the bottom of your 3D brush, and I start with the lightest colors. I'm also tapping. I'm not rubbing because I want to make sure that the makeup gets on my skin or into my skin and doesn't sit there like a mask. You've seen ladies that wear foundation and it just sits on their skin. Since I put that color correct underneath, I use Sunlit, and it just covers up those age spots and the sunspots. Okay, this is called a Perfector. It's a sponge, and it's a must-have for mature skin, because what it does is it really taps that makeup into your skin to blend it really well. Takes off excess if you have too much on. And today we are talking about having a thicker application on. So if I'm not happy with my coverage, I can just add more. Blend that right in. Also gonna do down my chin. Blend that into my neck. All right, that's a pretty good coverage. If I need more on my one spot right here, I can just blend it in. All right, and I haven't really done anything with my contour because I'm gonna take a little bit of pink because y'all know it's my favorite color. I'm gonna take the bottom of my 3D brush and I'm just going to tap, and I'm always going upwards. I don't go any further than the middle of my eye, just to make sure everything is drawn up. And again, I'm doing a thicker coverage. I don't usually wear this much day to day, but in the winter time, I tend to wear more. But I just wanted to talk to you about this awesome brush. This is the Buff brush. You can find it on the link at the top of the page. And see how nice that is? I'm just so happy with this makeup. It's just so good. All right, and if you want to do a little bit of bronzer, I also can use the bottom of the the 3D brush and just add some pretty shiny, not shiny, glowy color to my face. It'd be wherever you're sun-kissed, wherever the sun would kiss your face. So this is 8 minutes. I've done my whole face. I already had some stuff on my eyes, but it's that quick. Now, there is a learning curve, but that's what I'm for, to help you with the learning curve. And, you know, maybe to give you a new hairstyle with that rooster look going on. I hope you liked this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'm glad to work with you. It made me very happy.